Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video. So I'm Allie and I started Simply Sweet Homestead with my family, my mom and my dad. We used to live out there with them on their farm, and so we thought this would be a really fun project to do with them. Not only would that help me learn how to do the gardening and the homesteading, because that is what I want to do eventually on my own, but I thought it would be something, like I said, a project that we could do together, and I could learn from my parents and we could spend some quality time together. I realized that it has been almost a year since we've uploaded, and we never really explained what the heck happened. We just stopped uploading and that was that. So with that being said, I figured I'd let you know what happened. No, nobody died, which is good. I was working from home out there, and unfortunately, living out in the country, you don't get great internet. So unfortunately, I had to basically move to a different town about 30 minutes away in order to get internet that was fast enough to continue to work from home. So we did that, and even though it was only 30 minutes away, you know, I drive a big SUV, or not a big, I drive an SUV, so, you know, it wasn't feasible to be going back and forth multiple times a week. We would still go up there on the weekends usually, but yeah, it was just not feasible, and especially with the gas prices now, I ain't going nowhere unless I have to. So it was, like I said, just not feasible to make multiple trips to record videos. So, you know, being that we were together all the time when we lived there, and now only being able to visit once a week, you know, on the weekends, it made it to where we, instead of recording a video and doing something, you know, we just spent time with our family. We thought that was probably a better use of our time than making video, making content, which kind of left you guys out, and I apologize for that, but you know, it was definitely a priority for our family. And so with that being said, now that summer's coming back around, we're going to be, you know, planting and in the garden. And where I live now, I plan on planting a patio garden, I guess that'd be the word. But I plan to do that, some container gardening. I'm not able, because I rent, I'm not able to, you know, do the in-ground garden and everything like that. So unfortunately, you're not going to get that from me, but maybe, I'm pretty sure mom and dad are still planning on doing an in-ground garden. Not quite as big as last year, but they're still planning on doing some things. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, so I wanted to just let you guys know what happened, why we dropped off the face of the earth, and then also really exciting news, since we are going to be, you know, making more content for the, you know, summer-wise anyway, we wanted to just do a little giveaway. And I know most of you have seen our other video previous to this about how we store our seeds. We have, dang, that hurt, I bit my nail backwards. We have this box here. It's actually a photo storage box for like pictures and stuff, and it's double coverage, and then like this, you just put the seeds in there and you've got them. Yep, they're just perfect size. I know I got a couple seed packets that are rather large. I just had to fold over a little, you know, one of the sides, and they fit in there fine. But then we label them, and so it's all organized, and I don't know if you can see those, but anyway, they're all labeled with what's in there. And so, you know, you got those, and then it closes, and it's fine, it's sealed. I'm not gonna say it's watertight, but pretty much, like, for example, if you are out in the garden planting and then you forget, like I did one time, and it dews overnight, these aren't gonna get ruined. Now, I wouldn't, if it's a downpour, that might be different, but anyway, if you just leave them out there and it dews, you shouldn't be ruined. So I thought for spring, you know, we're going to be planting, and oh, excuse me, I wanted to do a couple, or giveaway, and I found this at Hobby Lobby the other day, and it's these individual containers. Let me pull it out here. And they're the exact same thing, they're just colored, and it comes with a little base. Unfortunately, it doesn't have like the lid that goes on it, but you know, hey, it is what it is. I couldn't find one with the lid. But you can, like I said, you can get these at Hobby Lobby if you have a bigger seed collection. But I thought not only could we give this away so you can have some really awesome storage, but I can also put seeds in here. So I'm planning on giving away 6 different seeds. 6 different packets of seeds, I should say. And yeah, so if you would like to enter into the drawing, you can leave a comment below. And then I'm going to draw on the 20th of March, and then I will go ahead and get with you, get your information, and get these sent out. If you're not local, I'll mail them. And because I'm gonna have that mail time, I'm probably gonna put some seeds in here that you can either plant any time of year or something that's like a summer or fall planting, because most of the spring stuff you've probably already started or are going to be needing to be planting before I can give this to you. So it'll probably be some summer or fall plants, seeds. Anyway, so enter in and just say, you know, entering for the drawing, something like that. You don't have to be subscribed, so don't worry about it. If you're not, if you would like to subscribe, you are more than welcome to. We'd love to have you, but it is not required for the drawing. So I just wanted to say thank you for always being there, and if you like quality content, probably not our channel. We've got honest content, that not necessarily quality, but it's honest. So we are going to do this drawing, like I said, on the 20th of March, and go ahead and enter, and we'll get you, once you're signed up, we'll do the drawing, and I'll probably do it live also. Thank you for continuing to subscribe and be here, and we will be pushing out some content this spring, summer, and hopefully continuing into fall, but you know how that goes. So either way, till next time, we'll see ya. God bless.